My name is Mateo. I work here at the Vaughan location. I'm an account executive for CAS, and welcome back to 1 Minute Appliance Info Reviews. Today I'll be talking about the GE 27-inch laundry center, GUD27GSSMWW. This unit comes with a very large capacity gas dryer, a 3.8 cubic foot washer, 800 RPM spin speed, and 9 wash cycles to customize all your needs. This appliance has a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, which I can extend up to 5 years for you for performance guaranteed. If you have any questions about the products we've showcased or any others you may see, feel free to give me a call at my extension 431 at any CAS national toll-free line, or go into our website at www.canadianappliance.ca. On the bottom right-hand corner of your window, click Start a Chat and ask for Mateo N.